Soja Fani Daniel! 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 Soja Fani Daniel!
Welcome to the Political Run with me, the voice right here on Ghana 7 TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Nyinenyim for first of all, accept my deepest condolences and a very, very unfortunate occurrence. Now, most of the time, I believe that issues like this very one, should not in any way be politicized. And the reason they shouldn't be politicized is because tomorrow it can be any of us. Any of us. Growing up, one of the people that we have been taught to be very, very afraid of and scared of are soldiers. That's what we've been taught growing up. When you see a soldier, even without him asking you, you start running. As children, that's what we used to do. And in fact, back then, scarcely would you even see a soldier in military uniform. So anytime you saw one, you are quickly hiding, or if you are doing anything untoward, you quickly try to put yourself together so that you are not found breaking any law. I remember those days. Oh, Michelle Camp. How dare you? Who are you? That is it. That is how we were taught, how we were trained. And the Ebanisena, our youth, our colleagues, they see men, security services in the armed forces with guns, and they feel that they stand a chance against a gun, or they feel like a stone stands a chance against a gun. How did we arrive here? How did we arrive here? And all these things are happening. We have a president in the republic. He says nothing about it. Instead, he fancy.
Soja Fani Daniel! Why is it not promised that that's one? Soja Fani Daniel! Waditwana boku sibi yakuno. Wakum kusibi. Waditwana boku sibi. Wakum kusibi yo. Oma boku sibi tuo. Oma boku sibi tuo.
Instead, no, or share military uniforms. The fake medals, egusu. There is something wrong somewhere. You are going to bury someone, and you are wearing military camouflage as civilians. Per our laws, is not allowed. Code of conduct I think is one of the laws in the PNDC. I think 1960 laws, which is still being used by the military. Civilians are not allowed to be seen in any apparel, whether shorts, trousers, top, cap of the military. Not allowed. And it says soldiers between no muhum say mo hyehyem camouflage and stuff, and I'm say debi ade amuye no muyibra. How does it turn into throwing of stones? How? Look at how someone just died. Oh, Jesus. Like that. A life wasted. A young life wasted. See, there is no way on God's earth that with your bare hands or with a machete, a knife or stone, you will stand a chance against a gang. There is not. Don't be deceived by what is going on in Boku. To think, say, when you see a soldier, even with that gun crano, don't be tempted. Life is like this, no? Life that is like this, papa. You break Christ, still like there. Because your name say, a chinabi. Tomorrow, one day. Oh, it's a very, very sad occurrence, very sad news. And it's painful because we are losing human resources. We must stop. The president must speak up now and return calm and order. The nation is scrambling under the leadership of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. And we must look him in the face and tell him that Mr. President, sit up, enough of the honeymoon. Sit up, oh, enough of the honeymoon. The nation has not been sold to you. We will require account from you in 4 years. So please sit up. This is a political rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana SMTVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye, cheers. See you in the next one.